Welcome to the world of Puzzle Bird, a captivating new artwork by the artist Patrick Murphy. Puzzle Bird is the latest creation in Patrick's series of artworks that are inspired by birds. Patrick's installations have been shown worldwide, from Dubai to the USA, leaving a global presence over the last 12 years. Patrick invites you to experience this new interactive work that allows you to engage with the process of building a modernist geometric bird sculpture. Imagine a three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle that allows you to simply slot the pieces together and watch as your new bird companion comes to life, elegantly finding its ultimate place in your home. There are two sizes to choose from. The smaller acrylic puzzle bird consists of 15 cleverly designed pieces. It is fun and easy to put together. The smaller acrylic version has fewer pieces, providing an easier construction experience. You can also invest in a range of colors and create your own unique color combinations. If you're looking for something grander, the larger puzzle bird is crafted from 22 intricately cut pieces. This size provides a more challenging puzzle for you to solve by placing the pieces in the correct order. There is no need for glue, the pieces have been engineered to smoothly slot together. You also have a choice of the color, size, and material that suits your style. Opt for the timeless beauty of black wood, or for those who crave a burst of color, you can choose the acrylic version. This comes in 7 vibrant options, including the stunning fluorescent orange. Puzzle Bird can be purchased online. Visit www.patrickmurphystudio.co.uk.